step into the Jeep 2014 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, black cloth bucket seats included, adjustable head restraints, quick order package 24 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, black clear coat, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches polished satin carbon, STD, transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, included, tip start hill descent control, 4-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.